Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is in collaboration with Keeping It Real Fun Collab Group. And for this month, the month of May, we are to create a look that will bring us joy on a rainy day. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what look I come up with, just keep watching. But before we get started, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to join the family by subscribing. If you're not already subscribed, like and share. Don't forget to go by and check out the other ladies. I will leave their links down below. So guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's gonna be a long video. Because as you guys could tell, I did not do anything to my brows. I was going to make this a silent video, but your girl got to talk about something. I don't know. I guess random talk. And actually, it's a gloomy day out today, so this is perfect to be filming this. I was going to film like a really bright, springy look, but on rainy days, I don't feel gloomy, but I don't feel like a spring day. You know what I'm saying? Like the beautiful, bright colors. But let's just see what we're going to come up with. Got an idea. Guys, I think I figured out why I'm having a rough time doing this side. Because I used to not have such a difficult time trying to do this side. But guess what? My girls are growing. They're getting bigger. Oh my goodness. I figured that out because I couldn't figure it out at first. I'm like, why is it that I can't, looking back at my other videos, I'm like, why is it that I can't do this side as easy as I used to? Well, that's because girls are getting bigger now. But, oh well. Maybe I'll stop feeding them. Who knows? All right. Go in with Wing Me. And you guys know I just love to spike my brows up. So we're going to go in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color, the shade Fawn. And let's see. Let's get this flat brush and clean this up. Take this concealer brush and just blend it out. Oops. But can't use that one because that one got product on it. What a mess. What a mess, what a mess. Let's see if we could clean that off. Yeah. Easy fix. But I don't want the white on there, but it's good. Let's go back in with this flat brush. Go on this side here. Blend that out real good here. Okay, so for the palette we're going to use is by Ofra. Can you guys see that? I'm going to use, that's what that looked like. And I'm just building this up. Then I'm going to go back in and blend it out. Let's build this up first, just by setting it in the crease. And we're going to go in with this fluffy brush and just blend this all out. Keeping this brush, we're going to go into this really, it's like a mauve color. And we're just going to set this right on the outer V going into the crease. We're just building this up on the outer V here. Okay, go in and blend this out. Yeah, I like that. Now we're gonna go in with this pretty gold color. It's really pretty. What do you guys think so far? I think that's about even. Yeah. This one looked like it might be a little bit not so even. Okay. Let's go back in with the fluffy brush. We're going to use these two colors here. This one and this one. Just on the outer V here. Put a little bit of depth into this look. Smoke it out, but not really smoke it out. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's nice. It's nice and soft. Just clean that up around there. Then for the eyeliner or the lash line, we are going to use the Bobini. Not sure where I got this from. I want to say Temu, but then again, I want to say BoxyCharm, but I think I got this from Temu. Let's bring this a little closer. Turbulent's gonna go in with some Professional. 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 You gotta love you some Professional. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 420. I think this is a little bit too dark. We're gonna go in with 410. See if we could lighten this up some. See how I make a mess? But that's all right, because y'all know I'll make it work. It would definitely work. Stop that frowning. I know it looked like I got a mask on, but that's okay, because I do. But we're gonna fix that. Because I am not getting ready to redo this video. So let's fix it. Damp sponge. Let's blend this out. We're taking off a lot of that foundation. So don't panic when you say, oh my God, I put too much makeup on. I think I need to redo this video. No. If you got a shade light or dark, and get your beauty sponge and blend it out real good. You don't have to redo it. I mean, you can if you want to. I'm not. Because it will work out. So we're going in with our one size, turn up the base, shade dark 1. First, we're going to go in and blend out the concealer. You know, that's a matte foundation that I put on that was too dark. And boy, isn't it matte. We're going to go in with our setting powder. And I picked this up from Temu as well. So you just dump a little bit of it out. Get me a little fluffy brush, like so. Pick some up. Knock it off on the back of my hand. And set up under the eyes here. Get the rest of it. Look at that. Flawless, man. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's go in and blend out the contour here. Just keeping it right up in here. Even though it's nothing left, but I always just take whatever is around the forehead. For the blush, we're going to use our Laura Mercier A in the shade Pomegranate. And this is what it looked like. We're going to take our fluffy brush, throw in it like so. See, knock it off. And we just want to lightly touch. Going up into the hairline. For the highlighter, we're going in with our Juvia's Place. Take a little bit. Put it on back of a fluffy brush. Set this aside because we're going to use it again for the bottom lashes. Let's throw some lashes on. Give me a second. I should be right back. All right, guys. So we got the lashes on. Let's do the bottom lash line. And this eyeliner is in the color Plum by Barcelona. I got this out of my BoxyCharm, I believe. So this comes on like a plum color. But it really doesn't show up on the inner eye waterline. You have to go like on your skin some for it to show. Let's go back in with the mascara for the bottom lashes. Let's go in here and take off the lipstick or the lip gloss. All right, we're going in with our Shocky eyeliner in 310N. It's a brown color. Next, we're using our Up All Night Makeup Setting Spray. This setting spray smells good, guys. Let's put a little gloss on this lip. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go by and check out the other ladies that's participating in this collaboration and let them know that I sent you. Guys, let me know what do you think about this look. And if you want to recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Until next time, love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.